Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LeafSpy to OBDLink for battery health, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the necessary equipment ready. You will need a LeafSpy compatible OBD2 adapter. Make sure your adapter is fully charged or powered. Next, locate your vehicle's OBD2 port. This is usually found under the dashboard near the steering wheel. Plug the OBD2 adapter into the OBD2 port securely. Now, turn on your vehicle's ignition, but do not start the engine. Open the LeafSpy application on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. In the LeafSpy app, navigate to the Settings menu. Select Bluetooth adapter from the list of options. Choose your OBDLink adapter from the available devices. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message on the app. Navigate to the battery section in the LeafSpy app. Here, you will find details about your battery health. Review the information displayed on the screen. You can monitor voltage, capacity, and other relevant metrics. For deeper analysis, explore additional tabs in the app. Save or export your battery data for future reference. Disconnect the OBD2 adapter when done. Remember to turn off your vehicle's ignition before unplugging. You have successfully connected LeafSpy to OBDLink for monitoring battery health. This will help you track your battery's performance over time. Enjoy better insights into your electric vehicle's battery status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.